What does success mean to you? Is it financial prosperity, a loving family, perhaps achieving a long-held dream? Whatever it may be, here are 40 principles that can guide you on this journey. Firstly, define your vision. Success starts with a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Next, set specific goals. Break down your vision into smaller, achievable objectives. Thirdly, create a plan. This is your roadmap to success, outlining the steps you need to take. The fourth principle is to prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Focus on the most important ones first. Then, take action. Start implementing your plan, one step at a time. Stay committed is the sixth principle. Dedicate yourself to your goals, even in the face of adversity. The seventh principle is to monitor progress. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as necessary. Next, seek knowledge. Continuously learn and improve your skills. The ninth principle is to seek feedback. Gain different perspectives and insights from others. Adapt to change. Be flexible, ready to adjust your plans based on new information or circumstances. Stay positive is the 11th principle. Maintain an optimistic attitude even when faced with obstacles. Practice self-discipline comes next. Develop habits and routines that support your goals and remain consistent. Manage time effectively is another key principle. Allocate your time wisely, focusing on high-priority tasks. The 14th principle is to build resilience. Strengthen your ability to bounce back from setbacks and failures. Cultivate relationships is the next principle. Nurture connections with supportive and like-minded individuals. Communicate effectively. Express your ideas clearly and listen actively to others. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge your hard work and reward yourself for reaching milestones along the way. Stay healthy, taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for what you have and what you achieve. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to cope with stress and maintain balance in your life. Stay organized. Keep your workspace and thoughts organized to improve productivity. Embrace failure. View setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Stay persistent. Persevere in the face of challenges and never give up on your goals. Stay humble. Remain grounded and open to learning from others regardless of success. Give back. Contribute to your community and support others in their journey to success. Stay curious. Maintain a thirst for knowledge and explore new ideas and possibilities. Take risks wisely. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace calculated risks. Stay adaptable. Embrace change and be willing to pivot when necessary. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and use that vision as motivation. Practice self-care. Make time for activities that recharge and rejuvenate you. Stay inspired. Surround yourself with sources of inspiration and motivation. Learn from mistakes. Reflect on past experiences and use them as lessons for the future. Stay aligned with values. Ensure your actions are in line with your core beliefs and values. Stay present. Focus on the task at hand and avoid dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Be authentic. Be true to yourself and let your unique qualities shine through. Stay persistent. Persevere in the face of challenges and setbacks and keep moving forward. Stay accountable. Take responsibility for your actions and decisions. Stay grounded. Remember where you came from and stay connected to your roots. Stay generous. Share your success and give back to others in need. And finally, never stop growing. Commit to lifelong learning and personal development. These principles, when applied diligently and consistently, can guide you on your journey to success, providing a roadmap for achieving your goals and realizing your dreams. Each principle is a stepping stone, a building block in the edifice of success. They underscore the importance of clarity, commitment, resilience, relationships, health, and continuous learning, among others, in the pursuit of your goals. So embark on your journey armed with these principles, and success will surely be within your reach.